Hello Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today we will discuss about fundamental analysis. Many people have requested to give a video about fundamental analysis. Although our channel has a video about it, many people requested me more details about fundamental analysis. So this video is for those people. We do different type of analysis in Forex, such as technical analysis, sentimental analysis, etc. But the biggest reason behind doing analysis is to know about the market and to get confirmation of when the market will create a bullish market and when the market will create a bearish market, when you will buy or when you will sell. The more important analysis to get this confirmation is the fundamental analysis. Through the fundamental analysis, you can be aware of the various major effects of the market and trade knowingly so that you can know about the risk time. So viewers, before starting this important video, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So today I will try to discuss the whole point of fundamental analysis. So I request you to watch the video with patience. Basically, fundamental analysis is before doing trade, know about currency and the economic situation of that country. Now many may ask, what is the benefit of knowing about the economic situation of that country, or how the situation of that country will affect in Forex? Yes, of course, suppose the current epidemic of corona is prevailing in every country, then will the countries not lag behind even a little bit economically in dealing with this virus? Yes, of course, because for a long time the economic activities of each country were stagnant. So it will have a bad effect economically. Knowing and understanding all these things is the fundamental analysis. Even every country has an impact on the economy for economics, politics or social reason, and this effect affect the currency in Forex. The USD based pair will have a bad effect if the economic downturn start in America. Due to this situation, the price of oil has come down a lot, and those who trade in oil must know what is happening in the Forex market, because the bad effect of this corona has affected the Forex currency as well as oil. Through various sites, we can do fundamental analysis such as Forex Factory, Investing.com. Moreover, we can analyze it in more different ways. Many may ask why such a high-low impact showing in Forex. Suppose Amphan hit India and Bangladesh. Did not it hurt the economics of those two countries a little bit? Yes, and for all this reason, there are high impact in the Forex market. For this, you need to do fundamental analysis. In this way, we can get all the idea. For fundamental analysis, we can take the help of different type of website. In this way, we can know the economic condition of that country. That means if you trade more in USD based pair, you can easily get an idea if you know the economic situation of the United States. And there are many sites to get all this information, which you can easily get by Google. We were introduced you to Forex Factory before. By visiting this site, you will easily get all kinds of information. This site is very popular for fundamental analysis. The chart you can see on the screen, this is called calendar. Basically, it's very important for doing analysis, and of course you will fix the time on this website. Set the time according to the time on your country or your PC or laptop. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to do your analysis. The red signal you can see here are high impact, which means that there is going to be a big impact on this pair, and there is a time, which means impact will start at this time. So it's better not to do trade on this currency at this time. In order to avoid risk, traders should refrain from placing order, especially in those time zone. And many may not know that in this news time, the spread of the broker increase a lot. Remember, professional trader don't trade in news time. There are very few traders who trade based on fundamental analysis. Then you see the orange sign. This is the medium impact. Then you can see yellow sign. This is the low impact. Don't trade during the high impact. I say again, don't trade during the high impact. If you go to Forex, you can see that sometimes the candle suddenly became much bigger. You can see that the candle has became unusually large. These are the effect of news. If you want, you can come here once and see the news of one day or 1 week or 1 month by clicking on next here. You can see the previous writing here. This is the previous effect, and the forecast is that there is a possibility of having such a percentage effect. Not only Forex but also those who trade in metal, energy or cryptocurrency, they will also get the news from here, like gold, oil or Bitcoin. You can see all the details. In this option, you can see which trader are trading in which pair and when they have trade. Just like you can see a trader traded 1 minute ago. That means you can follow good trader also. However, it's better to do your own analysis. There are some other sites where you can get real-time economic news of different countries, such as investing.com, bloomberg.com and cnbc.com. In this site, you will find economic news of all Forex related countries. And the Forex market moves based on fundamental analysis. Therefore, fundamental analysis is much more important for a trader. And you can find out daily about any currency or economic condition of that country by Google. Google has a lot of information on all these topics. So viewers, I hope you like this video. If you get help from this video, please like the video, and if you have any request, please write down in comment box, and I will obviously give tutorial on how to trade on news time if we have get enough like and comments in this video. I say again, if we get enough likes and comments, I will give a video about how to trade on news time. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and $1 account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.